Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Today we're gonna be doing my first Amazon haul. Okay, so I picked up a bunch of makeup and skincare products that I'm really excited to share with you. Some of them are new and some of them are repurchases of products that I absolutely love, and I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you guys. And we're gonna apply them together and see how they work. Starting off with skincare. The first product I have is my favorite face wash.
This retails for $385 but it's available for Rs 250 in the sale.
So I am absolutely obsessed with this face wash, mainly because it is so good, you guys. I absolutely love how refreshing this feels, and it's also quite gentle on your skin. It is 100% soap free, which is why I absolutely love it. It doesn't have artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, no soap, no alcohol, no mineral oils, non-animal derived. It also has pro-vitamin B5 and vitamin E. It's a vegan product, it's dermatologically tested and non-comedogenic. I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this.
The simple refreshing facial wash is my go-to face wash for daily use. I love the gel texture it has. It's so lightweight and it cleanses the skin extremely well. I massage it onto my skin like so and then I wash it off.
So I just washed my face and my skin feels so refreshed and soft. I absolutely love it. My skin is feeling sensitive. I love going for this face wash. I like using active ingredients and trying out products as well, but this is my go-to daily face wash and I highly recommend you guys try it, especially if you have sensitive skin. We also have another variant which is a hydrating one, so if you have dry skin, that one is great too. I like using that around winter time, but as you know, in Mumbai it doesn't really get that cold, so I don't use it that often. Next up, I have two moisturizers.
The Nivea Creme retails for Rs 399 but it's available at just 211 rupees in the sale.
So this is a moisturizer that I love using on my elbows and knees. That is what I got this for. So I got this Vilvah store organic cold press aloe vera gel. I was really excited to try this out. I love aloe vera gels and I've never tried Vilvah, so let's give it a go.
This retails for Rs 390 but it's available at 299 in the sale.
I love this packaging, you guys.
I like the container this comes in. It helps the gel remain cool. I absolutely love the texture of this. I'm going to take a small amount and dab it onto my face gently.
Okay guys, so my first impressions on this gel. It's moisturizing but it's not too sticky. I also love that it has no fragrance because this won't irritate your skin. I think you guys should check this out. This is my first time trying it, so I will post an updated review about it, but so far so good. Now finally, let's move on to makeup. I'm going to show you guys a new primer that I got because I'm excited to try it.
The Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. This retails for Rs 549 but it's available for Rs 467 in the sale.
This primer is really hydrating, you guys. I like it. We're going to leave the primer on for a few minutes so that it settles in, and then we're going to go ahead with foundation. Next up, I have a foundation that I was really excited to try.
The Maybelline Superstay Foundation retails for Rs 750. I love that this comes with a pump. I'm going to take 1 to 2 drops on my hand and I'm going to apply dots all over my face. Then with the help of a beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out evenly. I'm also going to add some concealer to conceal my dark circles.
So the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder has been my favorite for a while. I absolutely love the texture of this product. It makes your skin look so filtered.
This one retails for Rs 799 but it's available at 519 in the sale. It's so finely milled, I'm going to take some on a powder brush and apply it under my eyes.
So next up we have eyeshadow. We're going to do a little bit of light eyeshadow. I got the Makeup Revolution Chandler Friends Eye Palette. I absolutely love the color story of this palette. Let me show it to you guys real quick.
This is for $950 but it's available at $619 in the sale.
Such a pretty color. Okay, so I got done with the eyeshadow and my eyes got a little bit watery. So I completed the rest of my base off camera, and I also did my eyebrows to look a little bit natural. So I really like the palette. There was a little bit of fallout in the palette. However, on my face there was no fallout. The shimmer shades had a little bit of fallout around here, but I fixed that up pretty easily. And now I'm going to show you guys the next product that I got from Amazon. So I absolutely love the Sugar Kohl Intense Kajal, and I decided to get a different color.
This one's for rupees 249, but it's available at 199 in the sale.
So let's go ahead and open this up.
Eye makeup products from Sugar Cosmetics never fail me. I absolutely love them.
So I've tried this before in the shade black, and I really love the pigment, and it stays on for a while too. So I decided to get the brown shade because brown gives a more natural look, and I absolutely love using brown to define my eyes.
Let me show you guys a swatch. This glides on so smoothly, also very pigmented, and I like the warm toned brown color.
So this kajal is so pigmented, I absolutely love it. I highly recommend you guys to check it out. I love how pigmented it is, just look at that.
So this is the final look.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's haul. I'm going to post one more haul really soon, so stay tuned for that. Amazon Great Indian Festival started on 23rd September, which was yesterday. It's live now, so go ahead and check out all the amazing deals they have to offer. Amazon Fashion has up to 50% off on the fashion and beauty categories. Also, don't forget to check out my Amazon store. It has all my favorites listed in it. I'm also going to leave links to all the products in the description box, so you can go ahead and check them out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in my next one.